Green tea is not only for women, it's also for men. Men who drink green tea daily are seeing real and measurable benefits. There's a recent human study that found that daily green tea intake boosts testosterone by 30%, reduces inflammation by 27%, and cuts insomnia by 32% compared to non-drinkers. And the secret is EGCG. This is a powerful antioxidant that's found in green tea, and it neutralizes free radicals and suppresses your inflammatory cytokines. This protects your bones, your joints, and overall cellular health. So green tea also has L-theanine, which is an amino acid that calms your brain, reduces stress hormones, and improves relaxation without the sleep-disrupting punch of coffee. So if it's green tea or coffee, choose green tea always.